Hello,
Hello,
TJ here.
and Joe with Third Quarter Quest. And today we're going to show a few little hacks and tips that we do for once we're set up in a place and getting comfortable and getting things to work a little better. So, TJ is going to show you a tour.
Yes, we're the camper that we have is Joe's camper, the Jayco, and it does have a 3 burner and a sink, but we choose to, and a microwave, but we choose to do a lot of our cookings over this way. Table out here, the outlets right here, toaster oven that bakes and toast, obviously. This is a godsend, air fryer, and of course we're actually making chicken soup now from rotisserie chicken that we got, and obviously that's a slow cooker, crock pot. And other thing, we utilize our storage bin for our bar, and this sounds very bougie, but ice maker is wonderful. This is where I have the Radar's dog food and his water, and we actually have a little portable refrigerator that we keep most of our drinks in, and makes life really difficult.
Frees up refrigerator space inside, and
Yes.
mostly we keep drinks in here, and then when we have to unplug and travel, they're just drinks that just can stay cool or colder.
Yeah,
You know,
it's
nothing will
stays in there the
spoil.
whole time, and we just plug it in. We put something on the elbows so we don't run into them. We're both a little bit on the taller side, so we both hit them. Our canopy that we have set up with the lights, and our chair. And we'll show you this later. We did have a projector movie with a DVD, because a lot of places that we go doesn't have signal, which is this particular place. So the old-fashioned DVD, and we'll show you that set up at another time. This we debated about this, but this hooks up onto the black tank, and it keeps it out of rodents' ways, and it collapses, which is beneficial. And last but not least, this works as a twofold. Obviously, you see we've got neighbors, but it also is our storage bin. All the things, all the bags that we use, and so just to make it less cluttered, and it does block a little bit of a view. And that's that. Over and out for TJ and Joe, Third Quarter Quest. See you next time.